Hey, what's up, guys? We had a lot of good feedback from the Jam Factory episode 1. Some people want to see some more puppies, so we're up close here with Zoe. She's being super cuddly right now. But we're going to take you through the shop some more, show you some more stuff, what we got going on. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube. We drop a new episode every Monday on YouTube. You're going to get it on Facebook like by Friday probably, but if you want to get them as early as possible, then you got to go to YouTube. Hi, Zoe. Okay. All right, let's get out to the shop, see what's going on. We got Steve's car, 1,000 over there getting detailed. It's getting ready to head over to Shelby. I think it's leaving tomorrow or early next week. We got this 1,200R car. We just finished detailing it, loading it in the trailer now. Getting it strapped down, heading back to its owner in Maryland. Finished locking it down. All right. Yep, so this is heading back to Maryland tomorrow, and then it's on to the next one. All right, guys, let's take a quick walk out into what we call the dungeon, check on some chassis work. Man, that R looks good. I like that black.
It does look good when it's clean, doesn't it?
All right, guys, so here we have 2018 Mustang GT. This is a 10R80 car. It's got a Whipple on it now. We're going to take all that off, doing a billet motor, twin turbos. We're going to do like a 1,600 horsepower package on this car. This one's got some pretty lofty goals. We're running 7s with a 10R80. Obviously, we got to get some good transmission parts going in this one. It's got super sweet red interior in it. Not seen that with the white combo, bead blocks. Obviously, a super sick car. We also got the Tin Man over here, Michael's car. Did some great bottom 9s this year getting set up. We're going to do some safety upgrades to it, drop some weight out of it, see if we can get this thing in the mid-8s. It's definitely going to be a fun project. We've got the stick shift car up there just waiting to go in for its new turbo kit. Got a few other cars sitting back there hiding. We'll show you those later. We got Craig's car out here getting the roll cage. Down to the paint work on this one. Jack's got it all masked off and doing some final coats on the paint, as you can see the cage up in here. Yeah, it's looking good, Jack.
Thank you.
And this is one of our Welding cage kits. So these are going to be available very soon. It's going to be just basically like a hold and weld cage kit. Drop it in, weld it, just a little prep work. Other than that, everything else is done. Cool. Yeah, number 98, Tony's car's getting the detail bath. Everything's getting washed today. It's one of the few days here in Indiana where it's not 20 degrees and it's not snowing. Getting done, everything cleaned up. Gotta have these cars clean before they go on the dyno. Our guys with Automotive Cleaning Solutions are killing it with this stuff. Alright guys, we got all the cars cleaned up. I got the white 1200R car delivered back to its owner in Maryland. This is a fun little drive this weekend. I'm going to show you a couple things on Curtis's car. We got some new coil covers in. Big Fathouse Fab logo on the top. I'm going to pop this dude on. Then we're going to go on to show some other stuff. That thing looks pretty sick in there. Finish that out later. Alright, we got Steve's car, the 1000R car is all detailed up. We're just going to kind of take a quick look over it. We got the serial number stuff done. We got decals done. Car's hitting transport tomorrow, heading out to Shelby, America for their wide body package. And keep an eye out. We're going to have some footage of that here in the next couple months as this thing gets finished up. We're going to take us a little trip out to Vegas and get some photos and video of it when it's all done. All right, guys, we have a little debate going on in the shop right now. In this particular car, Shelby sent us some gauges to install, some aftermarket gauges. About half the guys at the shop like the gauges, the other half hates gauges, you know, aftermarket, like true racers at heart. So we kind of want to show you what these look like, and then I also just want to ask you guys what you think of aftermarket gauges in the car. Just give us some feedback. I just out of curiosity, want to see what you have to say. So we're just going to turn the car on. You can see the gauges in the dash. Turn it on, everything powers up. Now these gauges actually, so the trans temp's going to stay green as the trans is not up to temp, and then once it gets up to temp, it's going to change to the same color as the other two fuel and boost gauges. And then if it gets too hot, it's going to actually turn red. So it's kind of a cool feature. They also have peak hold, a few other features as well, but you know, pretty decent addition to this, Shelby. All right, I just want to show you Timmy's new box. He just got this in. He's obviously FOMOCO blue lover, and this is like a 174-inch 1400 drawer heavy duty ultra max ball bearings, and it's got power steering, rolling anti-lag. It's basically the best box you can get. 2 wrench drawers, look at that. So far he has no tools in it basically, but everyone at the shop is super jealous. What's this Dodge in here? Yeah, I got a bag with Dodges in it. I have to get rid of that. Yeah. Jeremy's dropping stuff on the box. All right, but hey, what I really wanted to show you was we got kind of a cool swap car on the dyno over here. This is a H3, I guess, Hummer, and it's not your normal Hummer. It's set up 2-wheel drive. It's got a solid axle in the back, and it has a built Lingenfelter 6.2 with a Magnuson supercharger in it. So it's a pretty cool setup. We're actually getting ready to tune this one in the next 15 minutes, so keep an eye out for dyno video on this coming up soon. Hopefully it makes about 450 horsepower, maybe a little bit more. All right, guys, that wraps up Jam Factory episode 2. We'll see you next week.